Hello everyone, this is my very first video on the 3D pen, how to do stuff. So please bear with the, awesome quality setup I got over here. Anyway, today I want to show you how to make a golden snitch because it was one of my first projects and it was really easy. And my daughter decided to put some metallic purple paint on it. Oh, why the hell not? So how did I do it? Here we go. You need a 3D pen. I've got a MYNT3D Pro, which definitely does the job. I've got some regular old silver PLA, and I'm doing the 175 degrees. Now the main trick with this one is I am using a rubber ball for the armature, and it is extremely easy. All I gotta do is draw around the ball, and there you have it. Now since I am going to remove the ball, that means I have to make both of the halves separate. So here we go. How easy is this? First I'm just going to draw a line. Doesn't even have to be a straight line. But there you have it. So now I have a ring around there. And now it's totally up to you what kind of snitch you want. You can just have lines. You can fill in the entire thing if you want. I prefer to be fancy and just to draw little curly cues. I don't even personally care if there's any mistakes. I'm just adding in some kind of hints of detail. Could do like a little S shape, that's fine. You could write someone's name on it for all I care. And that is it. So it's gonna look fancy from a distance, and yeah, that's actually gonna be good enough. So like I say, I want this to be a hollow ball, so eventually I can pop this thing out. There we are, and that is half of the ball. It is just a rubber ball. It could be anything, I would imagine, but probably glass, you may have more trouble. I like it to stick a little bit, so rubber's a pretty good material. I'm going to pop that back in and do the other half, but I'm not going to connect them. So I'm going to leave a little bit of space between these two lines that I'm drawing. I don't want them to touch if I can help it. So for safety, I'm taking out this first one, and I'll just continue and do the exact same thing with my curly cues. I'm just keeping it really rough for this video, but you can obviously take your time and make something nice and fancy. And I take this off, and now I've got two separate hemispheres. Now all I gotta do is glue them together, and it makes a perfect ball. Now, because this is a hollow ball, what I could have done was pop a small marble or a bell in here. That would be kind of awesome, wouldn't it? But I got nothing, so just for tutorial purposes, I'm just going to seal this puppy up. And that is it. It's not precision or anything, and yet it's still a pretty much perfect ball. You would not even notice. Now all I gotta do is do some wings, and that could be whatever shape you want, really. I guess you generally want something that looks fairly mechanical, so something like that, and maybe attach them together. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, probably good enough. And we trace. I might do this a second time just to give it some more structure. And now the little details. Good to connect these things. Not just for looks, but so that it holds together. When it's cool, you can just pop it out. There is one wing. There is the other. And you just gotta stick this on the ball somewhere, and that is it. You are done. Give it some more structure on the base and let it cool, and that is it, my friends. This one might be a bit better. My daughter was highly critical of me for having little bat thumbs on the wings, so maybe this one's more accurate. But there you go. And the very last thing you need is the gold. I got some super cheapo metallic paint over here. Standard acrylic. I do recommend you get yourself some acrylic primer, white or black, just so that the paint sticks to your model. But I ain't got time for that, so here we go. So that was super quick and easy. If you are a beginner, you will definitely enjoy this very, very easy project. And it's awesome for Halloween because there are a lot of Harry Potters out there and then the love goods and, you know, all the other crap you gotta deal with. But happy Halloween, everybody. Enjoy your Golden Snitch and have fun. Okay, so you can do this now. What is next? With the same principle and a bigger ball, like this one, you could pretty much do anything. You can make a Death Star if you so chose. I use this ball over here to make this thing, which you guys can't really tell what it is. It is a moon, but it is also a custom Halloween basket. So it's got three little legs over here. On this side, I got a cheap hinge that I drew around. So there's a little lid, and it is a custom Halloween basket. You're gonna shove candy in there. When it's time to eat, you open the thing up and just like that. Also extremely easy to make. I did make this in about 3 sections, so this was done in 2 halves, and the second half had kind of a quarter of it left over for the little lid thing. And these craters are just really super easy to make. You just draw circles around it and then build up the crater walls, and well, there you have it. So enjoy, guys. Bye.